Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Shukline. Today's video is going to be quite different and interesting. As we know that we are on the practice of daily conversation practice. So today I have taken 2 days off from my household chores and I am spending my 2 days in a hill station. So how can I leave my practice? So I decide to make a video whatever I am going to explore in English so that I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I will explore this and I will do my regular practice. So if I talk about this place is known as Kanatal. It is 15 km far from Chamba, and if you talk about the famous hill station, that is Dhanolti, which is only 10 km far away from this Kanatal. The Kanatal is not that much popular. It's a very small hill station, but I would suggest you, if you are a nature lover, then you should try and must explore this place. This place, as you can see the picturesque view behind me, you will not only get the peace, the serene atmosphere, and the best part is it's not crowded. If you go the famous station like Shimla, Dehradun, Mussoorie, you will get the crowd over there. But if you are a nature lover and you want to spend some quality time with your family and member, so I would suggest this is going to be a best option for you. Kanatal is known for many things, like there is a famous temple known as Surkanda Devi temple, and you can explore the Cordia forest, and as well as there are many activities is done over here. As you can see the surrounding, the place we have taken the stay is known as Camp Carnival. Here you will not only get the cottage, you can also book the camp. If I talk about the price of this place, the Camp Carnival tent, quite relatively reasonable. If you are looking for a very luxurious type of camp, then you should not consider this place. But if you want a place which should have all the amenities which are required and a peaceful place, then you should consider this place. If I talk about the prices, it starts from 200. If you book a tent, you will have to pay 200 rupees. It's go 2200, and it goes up to 2400. It depends upon what kind of things you are going to book, and it includes meal. In meal you will get breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even evening snacks. So if a middle person can easily afford such kind of things. And part of this place is hospitality. The hospitality of Camp Carnival is unmatched, and you can see the view. I will say my camera person, who is no other than my husband, to give you a glimpse of this place. The mesmerizing view, you will get the eye-catching view, I can say. Sometimes it's become breathtaking, as this is the view of the camp. You can see the cottage, and this place is in very large area. It's not that much congested. Every cottage is having their own space, so you can spend quality time without getting disturbed. So I have started, we came here today and we booked a cottage. So now we are going to start our day with we are going to visit Surkanda Devi temple. So when you start something by doing worship, it's going to be great. So I hope we will meet over there, and I will give whatever I will explore, I will try to give a glimpse of that. So stay connected. So guys, we have reached the Surkanda Devi temple, and it's quite amazing view and pictures view you can see, but due to fog we are not able to see any kind of scenery. You can reach here by trekking also, and there is a ropeway facility you can get. The prices are 205 rupees per person for both sides. So it is considered as like Durga, goddess Durga protect every people who are living, who are worshipping over there, and it is also considered that the one of the Shakti Peeth. It is known that the head of the goddess Durga, goddess Sati, drop over here. So that's why it's known as Surkanda Devi. Every year Dasera Mela is also held here during the month of May and July, and local people consider that Surkanda Devi give them prosperity, health, and if they do worship, they will give all kind of happiness. So I will say my daughter to zoom it little bit. The view is not that much clear because of fog, but it has its own significance, religious and mythological significance. So that is all about. So hello friends, it's day 2 of my tour. So today we are going to explore the Kodia forest. It's a track, it's a huge forest where you can see the animals. The animals are not that wild animals, but you can explore. And last time we took the gypsy to explore this forest, and the cost was around 2200. That time we were 7 people, but this time we decided to do the trekking and explore the jungle by ourselves, and the cost is very nominal, 22 rupees per person. As you can see, very chill breeze is blowing, and we forget to took our jackets, so I am crossing my finger. So stay tuned, we will connect soon.
I'm literally shivering.
Okay, yeah, shivering. As you can see, my daughter is trying to do the activity which is quite new for her. Cameraman से मैं बोलूँगी please take a close up. And when you explore such kind of forest, always allow your kids to do such kind of activity so that they can come close to the nature. And the view and the scenery is quite amazing. It's a picturesque view, you can see.
I did it.
Yeah, you done a good job. Yeah, are you enjoying the track? Are you enjoying?
Yep.
So finally guys, after putting lots of effort and tracking, we've reached a view which is picturesque view. As you can see backside of mine, what a picturesque view. You can see the valley, and you can see the peaks, the cloud, they are quite clear. And I think we tracked for more than 1.5 hours, and finally we reached this point. And when you do put effort and you get such kind of picturesque view, so I will request my cameraman, please give a view of this whole beautiful valley. The fresh air of this place will mesmerize you definitely, and if you are going such kind of place, it will give you a different kind of energy, or it will help you to boost the energy. So stay connected. सो गाइज, ये जो आप एक साइट देख रहे हैं, ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी है, और ये कानाताल मैजेस्टिक कैंप के नाम से है, और ये बीचों बीच कोडिया फॉरेस्ट के बीच में है। तो यहाँ पर आप जंगल का भी व्यू ले सकते हैं, और साथ में आप इस कैंप साइट को भी एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी है, और रेट भी क्वाइट रीजनेबल है। जो भी आपके कॉटेज भी आपको मिलेगा, और यहाँ पर आप सोलो कैंप भी ले सकते हैं, और बहुत सारी एक्टिविटी है। अगर आप मेरे पीछे का बैक साइड का व्यू देखेंगे तो ये क्वाइट अमेजिंग व्यू है। आप आए और इस जगह को एक्सप्लोर करें। Hello guys, this is activity area of Kanatal, where you can enjoy lots of activities with your family, like zip lining, cycling and skywalk. And the USP of this place is this giant swing, and as you can see, they are going to drag the people, and it is quite courageous thing. If you have courage, then only you can take part in this. Last time we took part, and we took a ride on this giant thing, but this time I don't know why I couldn't muster courage to take a ride. So you can see they are going to pull. Now it's going up to high, and they can leave it anytime. It's a height, you can see. And now they go. So, really, first two round it's quite scary, as you are almost death. Sometimes we feel like, but after that we started enjoying the whole process, and you can see the view, a picturesque view. And another thing you can see over there are two things. One is on the small height, and one is on the big height. So, and the zip lining you can also see. So whenever you come, please enjoy this ride also. Well, as you can see, bonfire is all set and people are having fun with their family and they're enjoying a lot. And I believe my daughter is having fun and she got a friend for herself and she's having fun with her and everyone is busy. Somewhere everyone is having their own group and they're enjoying. And this is the best way to spend quality time with the family. Whenever we get time and we spend and do such kind of activity is not going to give happiness. Good morning guys. It's third day of tour and we are in the top of our cottage and you can see the weather over here. The fog is everywhere and it's flowing. So it is the beauty of nature. Whenever you go in such kind of hilly place, always try to get up early. Today I got late because last time we hit the bed so late because of match. Finally India won the match and I am here and as you can see maybe in video is it clear or not, but everywhere is getting foggy and we can feel the fog, the coolness of this thing. So it's quite amazing and mesmerizing view, we can say. The things are not clear but the feelings I can't explain in the word. So it's our last day, we have to go, but I like this place too much. So whenever you get time, if you want to explore, do explore this place. It's really amazing. What happened?